What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in once again on a new video. We have some exciting plans for today. I hope you guys stay tuned to watch. It's epic. I have had hardly any sleep. I had my friend's wedding last night, and I'm running about like 2 hours of sleep, and we're gonna go out to do these things that I want to show you guys. And I say things because I don't want to spoil the surprise, and hopefully you guys like it. There's gonna be a lot of things, a lot of new people that we're gonna meet as well. I'm so excited. But anyhow, let's go for the ride, and I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. Finally made it. We're out here. I'm about to show you guys some interesting stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna meet up with Finding Nick. There's a couple on. I can't even tell you guys. Check it out. Enjoy it. Guys, this is crazy out here. Look at all this. I think they're opening this up so they can start burning out or donuts. I don't know, that sounds such like a new, but it's wild out here. So they're gonna turn on right now the E30 that we saw with the big ass turbo. Hold on. Alright guys, shut it down. We all gotta go. Nah, I'm just kidding. They just gotta move the cars. This is just getting started, man. Guys, I wanna show you something. This is baddest. Out of all the cars, this is the car. Check this out. Bam. What you know about that? Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to show you guys that shit. That's a pretty nice car, but I'm not trying to show you that. But take a look at this. Ferrari, Mercedes, Aston Martin. Holy crap. The lineup is real. This Pikachu. Two Pikachu. We got two Pikachus. We got one with the gloss paint. I don't know if the camera does any justice. Then we got one with the flat. Oh yeah. And then we got the Benzo, the Maybach. man doing his thing. The man's doing his thing. many people out here. So many people. So many nice cars. Holy shit. What the? What is that, man? And that's gonna be the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was such a fun time. I can't even explain it. I'm exhausted right now. I'm actually finishing this video right now. I hope you guys like it, like I said, and stay tuned for more videos. And if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys want, please comment, share, and like, and subscribe.